Good morning everyone. In a previous class we have learned about the worksheet problem and exercise problem related to the simple interest. I hope you all understood that previous concept. Today we are going to learn about the remaining problem related to the simple interest from the worksheet 2. Okay, so worksheet 2, 1, 2, 3 homework. Start from the fourth problem. Okay, so fourth problem, Gaurav's salary is 8,000 and he gets 20% rise. Saurav, first one is Gaurav and second one is Saurav. Okay, Saurav's salary is rupees 10,500 and he gets 15% rise. We get 15% rise. Who gets a higher rise and by how much? So we have calculate separately for Gaurav's salary of increment and Saurav's salary of the increment. Okay, so percentage is given. You have to calculate the amount. How many rupees are increased for the basic amount we have calculated. Okay, right. The fourth one. So what are the data are given? Gaurav's salary is given. Gaurav's salary is rupees 8,000. And how many rupees are increment we have calculated? Right? So increased percentage or rise percentage is given. Increase percentage is 20%. Increase percentage is 20%. So how many rupees are increment or rising amount? So increase amount is equal to for 8,000 into 20%, is it? So must simplify. So how many rupees? 16. So 1,600 rupees are increment for who? Yarika, Gaurav. Okay. Now next we have calculate for the Saurav. Saurav salary is rupees 10,500. Saurav's salary is rupees 10,500. So how many rupees increase? Here increasing percentage is given. Increase percentage is 15% is increment. Okay, so increase amount or increment amount. Okay, increase amount is equal to how many rupees are increased? 10,500 into 15 by 100. Simplify, multiply, what we get? 105, 15, 5 5s are 25, 5, 5, 1,575 rupees. Okay, 1,575 rupees. What he asks? Who gets a higher rise and how much? Who gets? Gaurav, is it? Gaurav got 1,600 rupees and Saurav got only 1,575 rupees. So how many rupees vary? 25 rupees. Okay. The result, Gaurav got a higher rise and the amount of difference is 25 rupees 25. That's it. Now move to the fifth problem. If the price of vegetables increased by 20%, by what percent should Varun reduce his consumption so that his expenditure on vegetables remains the same? What are the data given? If the price of vegetables is increased, price of vegetable is increased by 20%. Okay, by what percent should Varun reduce? Reduce means decreased, is it? Reduction. Okay, reduce his consumption. Okay, that his expenditure on vegetable remain the same. So reduction amount B we have considered 20. Okay, consumption. So that's a reduction. So 20% means 20. Fifth one. Let selling price of reduction amount is equal to 20 rupees. Okay, reduction amount is rupees 20 and then price increases by 20%. So price increases by 20%. Already we have learned one formula related to the percentage, gain percentage or profit percentage is given. You have to calculate for the cost price. What is that? CP is equal to 100. CP is equal to 100 by 100 increased. Okay, profit gain percentage is given here, increase percentage. So 100 gain percentage into SP. Okay, so 100 by 100 plus gain 20%. So 20 SP we have considered also 20. Okay, so 100 by 120 into 20. It will be cancelled. 6. So 100 by 6. 10 5s are 5, 2s are 10. Here also 2 table 3s are. Okay, so 50 by 3. You get in the mixed fraction, is it? 48 plus 2. 50 by 3. 50 by 3. So how many percentage? 16. 2 by 3 percentage. So what is the cost price here? 16. 2 by 3 percentage of cost price. Okay, right. And next one. A house was purchased for not a percentage. Okay, so cost price. Okay, CP vegetable expenditure the remaining is same. Okay, right. And sixth one, a house was purchased for 10 lakh and sold at the profit of 20%. Find the selling price of the house. Okay, so cost price is given, cost price is 10 lakh, okay, and sold to a profit of 20%, 20% profit, okay, and selling price we have to calculate using the same formula and find out the SP, find out the selling price. So CP is given, CP is given, cost price is 10 lakh. Sold at profit percentage is given. Profit percentage is 20%. Find the selling price. We have to find out the selling price. So what is the formula? SP is equal to, so denominator value move to the numerator. Okay, so 100 plus gain percentage by 100 into CP. Okay, so 100 gain or profit percentage is 20 by 100, CP is 10 lakh. So 120 by 100 into 10 lakh. So rupees 12 lakh. So selling price is 12 lakh. Okay. So seventh problem, by selling a music system for selling price is 9,000 is given. Rahul incurred a loss of 10%. Okay, so loss is also given. Loss is 10%. Okay, first we have calculated the cost price. Okay, loss percentage is given, loss 10%, SP is equal to selling a music system of rupees 9,000 rupees. Okay, loss. So selling price, loss percentage, okay, have calculated the cost price. What is the formula? 100 by 100 minus loss percentage into SP. Okay, so 100 by 100 minus loss percentage is 10 into SP is 9,000. So 100 divided by 90 into 9,000. Rupees 10,000. So cost price is 10,000. Okay, cost price is 10,000. Now we know that cost price. Okay. And another one, he had sold it at rupees 12,000. So next there was 12,000 rupees. Now the selling price is equal to rupees 12,000. What would be his loss or profit percentage? Okay, so now we know that cost price and selling price. So what is the formula we have applied here? Selling price is greater than the cost price, so we got the profit. SP is greater than the CP, so profit is equal to selling price SP minus CP. So SP is rupees 12,000 minus CP is rupees 10,000. So difference is 2,000. So profit 2,000. What we have find out? Profit percentage. So profit percentage is equal to profit by cost price into 100. So profit value was 2,000. So cost price is 10,000 into 100. So how many rupees are profit percentage? 20% profit. 20% is profit. 8th one homework. The same model already doing the worksheet 1. Okay. At what percent will a sum of money triple itself in 10 years? The same method already do it in the worksheet 1 problem. So that is homework. Now 9th one. Raja borrowed 50,000 and had to return 66,000 after 4 years. Okay. So first one principal amount. Okay. Borrowed means kadan. Okay. வாங்குறாங்க ஃபைனலாக பே பண்ணும்போது அடிஷ்னல் அமௌண்ட் பே பண்ணுவோம் பிகாஸ் ஐ ஹாவ்ஸ் gave the additional amount interest. Okay, that is 66,000 is given. 66,000 after 4 years. Mohan borrowed 40,000 and he had paid return 60,000 after the 5 years. Who paid the higher rate of interest per annum? So who is paid the higher rate of interest per annum? Okay, so first we have calculate the borrowed amount for Raj. Okay. Okay, calculate for the Raja, first one. Okay, 9th problem. Raja rupees 50,000. Okay, it is a principal P, and then amount return payment is rupees 66,000. Okay, so what is the relation? Amount is equal to P plus I. So amount is 66,000. P is equal to 50,000 plus I. So come to this side, we get 16,000, is it? Subtract, we get 16,000 as interest. For how many years? 4 years. Okay. So now calculate the simple interest formula. I is equal to PRT by 100. So I value was 16,000. P value was 50,000 and R rate of interest we have calculate. Okay, time duration for the first 4 years by 100. Here write year T is equal to 4 years. Okay. 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16. Okay. Cancel 40. 4 8s are 5 8s are 40. Okay. So R is equal to 8%. Okay. This is the percentage for Raja. Okay. Next we have calculate for the Mohan. Mohan borrowed amount P is equal to rupees 40,000. Okay, and he had to return. So return amount is equal to how many rupees? 60,000. So A is equal to P plus I. Okay, so amount 60,000. Principal is rupees 40,000 plus I. So subtract interest is rupees 20,000. Okay, now calculate the rate of interest. So I equal to PRT by 100. PRT by 100. I value was 20,000 is equal to P value was 40,000 into R into number of years is 5 years. Is it? Number of years is 5 years. T is equal to 5 years by 100. 5 4s are 40. So we cancel 10. So 10 percentage is equal to rate of interest. So Mohan gave the rate of interest is 10 percentage. Who paid the higher rate of interest? So Mohan paid the higher rate of interest per annum. Higher rate of, thus Mohan paid higher amount of rate of interest. Higher rate of interest. Higher rate of interest per annum. Okay, so Raja only paid 8 percentage. The Mohan paid 10 percentage per annum to the borrower persons. Okay, right. And next one, 10 to 1. Ankit borrowed a certain amount of money from his friend. At the end of 5 years, at the rate of interest of 10 percentage, he returned 75,000 to his friend. Find the sum of money Ankit borrowed from his friend. So that person Ankit borrowed the certain amount. Okay, so principal I didn't know. You have to find out the borrowed amount. Okay, that is principal. At the end of 5 years, rate of interest is 5 years பண்றாங்க வாங்குறாங்க. Rate of interest is 10 percentage. Rate of interest is 10 percentage. He returned. So return means finally that person Ankit paid to his friend is rupees 75,000. Okay, find the sum of money Ankit to his friend. Okay, to his friend. 10th problem. Ankit borrowed this certain amount. Okay, so let borrowed amount BP. Okay, right. And return amount A is equal to 75,000 is given. Okay, 75,000. And number of years, T is 5 years. Okay, and rate of interest R is equal to 10 percentage. R is equal to 10 percentage. So what is the formula? A is equal to, we know the amount only, okay, amount principal plus I. Okay, so amount is 75,000 is equal to P value didn't know, so we have to take P. Interest formula P RT by 100. P RT by 100. So P plus P, R value was 10. T value was 5 by 100. Okay. 2. Now we get P plus P by 2. Here rupees 75,000. Okay. Yes, 75,000. Now we have to take the LCM in this place. So P plus P by 2. So 3P by 2. Okay. Here rupees 75,000. Now cross multiply by 2. We get rupees 75 twos are 150. Already 3 zeros are there, so we have added with that, equal to 3P. Right. Now simplify 3 5s are. Okay, so principal P is equal to rupees 50,000. The borrowed amount, is it? Thus, the anchored borrowed amount is rupees 50,000. Okay. Okay. Homework. Worksheet 2. 1, 2, 3. Okay. And 8. I hope you all understood this concept. We have completed the 8th unit. Okay. If you have any doubt, you will ask to me. Thank you, students.